Today guys, hindi natin pag-uusapan ang POCO C40 but instead, i-address natin ang mga concerns ninyo about deadboot, about bootloop, kung ano nga ba mga yun. And ang dami natin narinig about the POCO na mga medyo entry level, mga mid-ranger na meron silang deadboot. Now, I know it's a bit unfair to say na lahat ng POCO na deadboot. It's not the case. Tara pag-usapan natin. So hi guys, ako pala si Richmond ng Gadget, Sidekick, and welcome back to my channel. So today, i-address ko sa inyo kung ano nga ba yung mga pinag-uusapan natin na deadboot, na bootloop, and yung mga bugs that's happening sa mga smartphones natin. Hindi lang kay POCO, hindi lang kay Xiaomi, hindi lang kay Redmi. Now, yung deadboot, it means hindi na nag-on ang phone ninyo. So recently, there's a certain model ni Redmi and ni POCO na nag-deadboot. It's the Redmi 90 and the POCO M3. I know yung mga phones na after nila mag-update, mag-firmware update over the air, after mag-reboot, boom, wala na, hindi na mag-on. So, it was caused by of course, buggy na firmware. So, yung firmware niya nag-cause na, that's a certain version. Hindi ko maalala kung anong version nga ba yun. Pag-update nila, I think ang may kasalanan nito probably is the developer na gumawa ng firmware niya, package na firmware. Normally, it's when you say it's a stable ROM, okay dapat yun. Sometimes, mas madalas nangyayari yan sa beta ROM, mga bootloop, but seldom ako nakarinig naman ng deadboot. Now, and of course, the only thing to do is to bring it back to the service center para ayusin. But of course, syempre, lost na yung data mo, lost na yung contacts mo, lost na yung pictures mo, everything. Kung hindi ka nag-host sa cloud or hindi ka nag-backup sa yung PC, goodbye data. So there are three types of smartphone user. One is yung walang pake, hindi nag-update. So yung kanyang firmware is the stuck na firmware since binuksan niya ang box. Hindi nag-update, never. Okay, so if you are running MIUI 12.5, forever siya nasa 12.5. So what's the advantage and disadvantage? Advantage niya is you won't have any problems sa mga bugs, mga future bugs or mga deadboot, bootloop or whatever it may be. So the disadvantage is if you're running Android 11 and some of the apps that you're using should be running on Android 12, hindi mo na siya magagamit. That's the downside. Now, there's another type of user is yung laging na-updated. So, nakaset siya sa update, pag may update packages, sarili na siya. You don't need to ask me, matik na ang update. So, okay, updated ka lagi, but of course, kung may bug siya, ikaw una matatamaan. So, I'm one of those. Okay, so, as long as may update, matik, update mo na, bahala na si Batman. So, and apparently, there's another type, yung sigurista. So, siya yung tipong magtatanong around sa mga community and sa mga forum kung okay ba tong update na to? Okay, may bugs ba siya? May mga problems ba siya? Before siya mag-update, yung sigurista. So probably that's the best type na person na makaka-avoid ka ng mga bugs o mga deadboot, bootloop. So I suggest na if you're not really sure doon sa update na makukuha mo, try to ask around sa mga community. I'm sure there's a lot of community out there, especially sa Facebook, no, mga groups na, let's say, POCO C40 na group, you can post there na, ito version MIUI 13.0 point something, stable ba siya? May bugs ba siya na may encounter? So, yung mga nakapag-update, makapag-share sila sa inyo. Okay. So, that's the only way na naisip ko that you can avoid yung mga boot to mga deadboot. So, it's not fair naman to say na lahat ng POCO would be may deadboot. It's just one single firmware na mali na upload ng developer that's causing that problem. Okay? So, yung bootloop is yung babalik siya, makita mo paulit-ulit, POCO na logo, paulit-ulit, running on a cycle. That's bootloop. So, yung mabilis lang, mapa-flash mo siya, walang problema, or dali mo sa service center. But yung deadboot, yun ang pinakamahirap. So, you might need to do EDL, emergency download. So, it's hassle. So, bubuksan mo siya, hanapin mo pa EDL point, itatap mo pa siya, then before you can flash the phone. Or, probably, baka dead na yung motherboard, hindi natin masabi. So, of course, ako, advice ko sa inyo is to regularly check sa group ninyo. If you're part ng POCO C40 group, just check it. Of course, there's nothing wrong to ask around para sa more information about yung firmware na i-update mo, kung okay ba siya, stable or buggy before you do the update. Of course, it's better to be safe than sorry. Lalo na if you only have that one single phone na inaasahan, then of course, ayaw mo siya ma-deadboot. Now, in case na you face a deadboot issue, you can always bring it to your service center, sa warranty center, nung smartphone na brand na binilhan mo. So guys, I hope na na-explain ko sa inyo clearly about the deadboot and the bootloop issue, kung ano nga ba siya, and how to avoid it. Of course, it's always better to be safe than sorry. And if you find this video helpful, do share it to your friends. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click mo na rin ang bell icon para hindi mo miss ang mga future uploads dito sa aking channel. And so, ako pala si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?